Hi guys, Sandy my cat. And I'm in my kitchen today because I'm cooking my family Raising Cane's. Why? Because my family won't let me go out and get some for them, so I'm gonna make it from scratch. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so to start off we need our chicken tenderloins to soak up for a little bit. I already tried to thaw them in some warm water. But anyways, we're going to be adding 2 eggs, some buttermilk, and garlic powder into a bowl, and that will be our marinade. So at this point in the video, my family started to play a movie and it was getting a little loud, so I'm just going to be voicing over the rest. So I'm just mixing in the marinade, trying to even it out a bit, and I'm going to put it in the fridge and leave it in for 2 hours. Yeah. Jump cut to the future. We're going to be putting some vegetable oil into a pan. Now it's better with canola oil, but I didn't have any. But vegetable oil worked fine, just took a little longer. So now we have our 2 bowls and we're going to make our dry and wet mixture. Well, we already made our wet, but we're going to make our dry right now. So grand reveal for the dry mixture. Just kidding, really bad camera work. So we're going to have a little bit of lemon, sea salt, baking powder, flour, and black ground pepper to make our mixture. Just kidding, we have actually one more ingredient. I forgot to mention breadcrumbs. It's kind of important. So here we are. We have our nice little dry mixture and we're going to be pouring our marinade into that bowl for our wet. And as you can see, I fried them and look at that. I made canes. Wow. There you have it. Chicken. Hi guys, I just wanted to thank you for watching the video, and don't worry, I didn't only feed my family chicken. I also made cane sauce and then we had some other sides, but it's fine. I just wanted to show that I make canes and that I actually know how to cook, and it didn't turn out like those cookies like the last time. Those were really bad, like really bad. I'm sorry. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.